Alright guys, here we go, another really cool part. Take you guys under. Let's stick you guys in this groove. You saw a tiny drop. Alright guys, oh, just got over that log. We'll come over here. See, this water is always so scary. Alright guys, here we go. Guys, another junk here. Alright guys, that seems like a pretty good amount of film. So I'm gonna go ahead and there isn't really much you can see to like really film, but obviously I got some good practice. You saw with the waves, seeing how that looks, because obviously there's gonna be waves when I'm under, so kind of see like how I can possibly play along with that when I'm in Florida. And obviously waves aren't just at the very top of the water, you know, they're somewhat under. So we'll see how I can play with that based upon what I got today. And then, yeah, check out this little swimming hole here. And then we'll be good. So, one more minute here, guys. Then I get some pictures on my phone. And then, yeah. Oh, guys, look. Guys, there's my chance. I missed it. Because it's so hard. Let's see if I can actually get it. Alright guys, looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and end the film. And then I'll go ahead and review this, and I'll get it up on my page. Thank you guys for watching.